This is example 1 for section 3.6. We will be graphing a quadratic inequality in two variables. You can find the directions here in your journal. Step 1, we're going to graph the parabola, y equals. Then decide whether you should make the line dashed or solid. Then we'll test a point and decide where to shade. So let's try an example. In example 1, we're going to start off step 1, which is graph y equals negative x squared minus 2x minus 1. To graph this, you can use the directions on how to graph that we've learned, or throw it in our calculator and pull up a table. So let's throw this in our calculator. So from my home screen, new document, make it a graph page, and we're going to type in our negative x squared minus 2x minus 1. You can see the graph there. To make sure we do it accurate onto our notes, we're going to press Control T for a table. Make sure you definitely get your vertex, which looks like it's at negative 1, 0, and then choose a point above and below. So those 3 points we're going to write into our table. So T-chart, copy those points from our table, negative 2, negative 1, negative 1, 0, and 0, negative 1. Let's graph those carefully onto our paper. So negative 2, negative 1, negative 1, 0, and 0, negative 1. Now before I connect my dots, I need to decide whether I should draw a dotted line or a solid line. For less than and greater than symbols, we will use a dotted, but if it's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, we will use a solid. So in this one, we will draw a dotted line in order to connect the points and draw a parabola. That's step 1. Step 2, we need to test a point. The easiest point to test would be 0, 0, right here. Now, as long as it's not on the parabola, we can test out 0, 0. So you want to plug 0 in for x and 0 in for y into the original problem. So 0 less than negative 0 squared minus 2 times 0 minus 1. Simplifying all this, I just get negative 1. Is this a true statement? 0 less than negative 1? No. 0 is not less. So this is false. So if you get a false statement, shade where the 0 is not. Shade where 0, 0 is not. So 0, 0 is here, so shade where it's not, which would be inside the parabola. And that is it.